Hi. So now let us see another join, that is self join. So this self join is also simple. So let us try to understand. So as name implies, it is going to work actually. Self join is a join in which table joined with itself actually. So till now, whatever joins we've seen, those joins, in those joins actually, we are joining with another tables actually, another relations. But in this case, you are joining with the same table actually. That means it is joined with itself. That is why it is calling as a self join. Other than that, there is no big deal for understanding this join. So it is also called unary relationship. That means internally this table have a unary relationship. Then only it is possible actually. What does it mean? Especially when the table has a foreign key which references its own primary. So primary key will be there and there is another key, foreign key. This foreign key referring in the same table primary key actually. Then you have a unary relationship. That is why you are able to apply the self join. Okay. So let us try to understand this one with the demo session actually. So this query, if you take a list each employee manager. So let us come here. So let us take the EMP table, select a star from EMP. So here if you observe, in this output, if you observe, okay, EMP number, his manager is MGR. So who is the manager of Scott actually? Scott manager is 7566. Who is 7566? That you can search here. So 7566. So 7566 is Jones. So Scott manager is Jones actually. So now the query is here, list each employee manager. So we have to say Scott manager is Jones. So like that, every employee you must tell actually. So that means you are going to join with the same table. So that is what you can observe. Select, we will come to select clause later. Let us take first of all star from, so here you can see from EMP, we are going to take alias name E1, then EMP E2. So same table two times we take. That is what self join actually. So if I simply run this query, what is going to happen? That also first of all, let us observe. We don't have any condition here, but you can observe how many rows are returned. 256 rows are returned because EMP table first of all have 16 records. Is it or not? So it is going to perform cross join 16 into 16, 256 actually. Okay, fine. Now same table we taken here. Okay. Now apply the condition. So now again you run here for putting a condition. So let us observe the output, then naturally you can apply the condition. So here you see, for example, Miller, if you take this record, if you take 7934 is the Miller. So this is the up to here, up to DEPT number. This is EMP1 data. And from here, it is the EMP2 data, E2 data, EMP2 data. Okay, same table, of course, same data. This is EMP number and MGR number is 7782. So here 7782 and here EMP number 778. If you have, that means in this 7782 and here in the EMP number 7782, whoever have, that is what obviously his manager. So let us check for the Miller. Let us take for the Adams so that easily you can get here. So Adams part. So for the Adams, manager is 7788. So where is 7788? This one. So this row, if you observe, Adams manager is Scott. Got the point or not? And observe that these columns this data till here EMP1 and this data EMP2. But all other rows, so Adams with Smith, Adams with Allen, Adams with Ward, all these no meaning data actually. Now, how you are going to put a condition? That is very important. From the E1 table, with what column you have to compare actually? With MGR. From the E1, MGR you must take. That must be equal to this 7788 must be equal to EMP number actually. Got the point or not? So E2 dot EMP number. So in that way, this is going to become two tables. Got the point or not? Of course, table is same, but you taken two times. So internally system treating as two tables. Then how you are putting a condition? In the left table, MGR you should take, and in the right table, EMP number you should take. Because we need Adams manager. Adams manager number is 7788. In which row EMP number and MGR? From the E1 EMP number, from the E2 EMP number is same. Those records are proper records. So that you can see now. So now you got this data. Okay, now you can observe that Ford manager is 7566. So that means he is a Jones. So that you can observe. Let us take Ford and his manager is Jones. So let us observe from the normal table only. So where is the Ford? So Ford is here. Ford manager is 7566. So who is the 7566? Let us check that 7566 is Jones. So that you can observe that. So Ford manager is Jones. So that you are getting from here actually. Okay. Now you can simplify. We need only from E1 employee name and from E2 employee name. So this is alias name employee and his manager. So alias name manager. Now if I run, you are going to get each employee manager. So Ford manager is Jones, Scott manager is Jones, James manager is Black. So that you can get here. Okay. So this is what actually in this way self-join you can apply. So if you have a especially unary relationship, then if you need the corresponding data, you can go for the self-join. So nothing is there. Self-join is nothing but you are joining same table itself actually. Okay. And this is very important interview question also. And you have real-time applications also, especially in the interview question. So if it is a unary relationship, how you will find each employee's manager. Okay, so each employee's manager you will get automatically by doing like this. Okay,